All right, everyone. This is going to be a video that goes over exactly one of the systems that Priscilla and I use to create our capture pages, squeeze pages, opt-in pages, however you want to call it. It all does the same thing, but this is a system that we use. We go to simpleleadcapture.com, and this website lets you create lead pages or capture pages for free. So all you have to do is create an account, and you'd be good to go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over exactly how to create one. I'm going to show you real quick how to do it. That way you can do it for yourself, and then you'll know exactly where to go as far as making your capture pages. All right. So from here, as you can see, we've created a bunch of capture pages already. Now, the thing about this website is that it can be kind of glitchy at times. So anytime you log on, I've already done so, but you want to hit the refresh button right here, and because after whatever views or conversions you have, if you don't clear it and then you go to edit it or you go to create a new lead capture page, a lot of times it could be very glitchy and it could delete your work, and you don't want that happening. You want everything to stay intact. That's the only thing about this website, but other than that, it's great. You know, they work. The capture pages work great. You're about to see what kind of templates they have. So let's get started. We're gonna go right up here. Once you've created your account, you're gonna create a new lead capture page. All right. Now, once you've done that, it's gonna give you. It's gonna bring you to I guess editing page where you can start editing. And then it's going a little slow now, so bear with me. But basically, if for those of you that don't know what a capture page is, it's for whenever you drive your traffic to your website or to one of your capture pages, which is what we're making. This is how you're going to create your list of people to follow up with your autoresponder. All right, and that's pretty much it. So once you have their information captured, then you follow up with them automatically and showing them exactly what you have as far as services and value, and that's when they'll sign up with you. All right. So here, as you can see, you have different themes or templates that you could use. Some with video, some with images, some with video and words, some different types, but I would say the easiest one that Priscilla and I have found that works best is the simplicity. Why? Because it just converts better. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, so that way you get to see exactly how we do this, and this is what it looks like. All right, so once you've done that, you just click on use this theme, and it'll take you to the next page. Now, the good thing about this is that you can also edit the background. It doesn't have to be the same. You can edit the coloring. You can also edit the email, the place where they put in the email, the sign-in boxes. You can have it so that way it's directly connected with your autoresponder that you have set up. All right. So as you can see here, this is a brand new one. If you want, obviously I don't want that lady in my background, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to well, let's start on the first tab. Okay, here are all the tabs that you have for editing your page. You have your info, where you just give your page a name. You have your page link, where you give your page a link. You have your media. You have where you can edit the background logo. You can put a logo on there. You have your form, which is the place where everyone puts in their emails. And then you have the style, where you can put a certain button color. You have the SEO for search engine optimization, where you could put keywords, put the title of your page, a meta description, and then you have extras where it has what you can have. You can put privacy policies in. You can put a disclaimer in there, and you can have your company's privacy policy down there and their disclaimer down at the bottom. That way it's directly connected with your affiliate program. Now let's go over here to the first one. So first one, we're going to name this example 1, so that way you guys can see. The link is whichever link that you have. I actually have another video on the YouTube channel showing you exactly how to domain map your capture pages to your link, if you have a link. a domain that you've created. If not, you could just put your own affiliate link that your company has given you with your ID. You put that right on there for the sales page, so that way they can follow up with them directly, or they can see your sales presentation, and that's where that goes in. And then you go to your media. Like I was saying back there, I wanted to change the background. I didn't want that lady. You can do different one. Lifestyle, you could have a boat, looking like you're surfing or discovering the 7 seas. You could keep it, with just a plain wall. You could do different ones. We have, let's see, freedom. Yeah, a lady piggybacked on somebody's back. But for the purpose of this video and just showing you how easy and quick this is that we can make this, let's just go with beach. Actually, you know what? I don't want a person in the background, so let's see here. Landscape. Okay, let's go with dock. There we go. We got a nice little sky background. You can put your logo. Now with your logo, you put yes, and then you're going to have to put your URL logo where your logo is located. But in this case, we're just not going to do that. We're going to keep this here in center. That way you see the dock in the sky and the nice ocean in the back. Okay. Now, media type, you want to have none, because you're just going to have words. You can have a form where you can put in the form. So let's go back to media, and let's just edit this. Okay. Discover how you can build pages just like this in seconds. Exactly what we're doing. All right. So here, what do we want to do? We want to get something that grabs everyone's attention. So let's do multi-level marketing secrets. Unveiled. All right, and then what you could do is you can make it so that way it's not going across the whole thing. We can change this up right here. We can put a background color, nice green, or the not the background color, but the image color. The simple system online business owners are using to create lead pages fast. That is right. Let me show you here. So here we can put a little message and showing them exactly how we are doing this. So we could put see how young couple Dan and Priscilla have built an automated system generating leads 24/7. All right, and then what we want to do is let's go down a little bit more. No phone calls, no home meetings, no bothering friends and family. Just a lucrative MLM system. Excuse me for my typos. I'm not the best typer. All right. Now, we have here your high impact sub headline or call to action text would be placed here. Enter your name and email below for instant access. That is correct. That's where everything, your call to action will go. So in this place, we could put, we can go off of this. Enter your name and email below for, let's change this up. Instead of instant access, life changing. Let's put life changing, because this is life changing stuff here, people. You're not gonna do this and not see any results if you do it correctly. Life changing greatness. Let's say greatness. And then we could let them know what's going to be happening as soon as they put in their information. So you will receive the info in your email shortly. shortly. Period. All right, so as you can see, we can switch this up a little bit. You just edit it a little bit more. We could put the text, you know, a nice yellow to match up the yellow over here. We could put just say lucrative. We can make lucrative here stand out a little bit. Put another yellow there. Okay. Now for the sign up form, let's go ahead and edit that. This you want to have, if you don't have already an autoresponder, you might really want to look into that. It's very, very crucial in your business because you want to automatically be following up with your prospects and people who are opting in. So this has to be tied directly to you. So I have Priscilla and I's autoresponder here to the side. Let me go ahead and pull it into this picture. See if I can put it into the tab. No, I can't. Okay, so I'm already here. Now I go a little further into detail on another video in this YouTube for setting up your Aweber autoresponder. But in this case, I'm just looking at the sign up form tab, and I'm going to make a custom tab real quickly. So on here, the one I like to use is this under popular tab, the modern, because it's easy to edit, simple, and it's straight direct to the point. Okay, so we're going to load the template. I'm going to go ahead and take off these top banners here. I'm going to take off email marketing by Aweber. We're going to take that off, so it's just the name, email, and the submit button. Now, being that we have the nice background in the back, I don't want to block that, so we're going to make this gray area transparent. So how do we do that? I believe we just click here to edit this. Let's see, clicking on here, form type. Let's go to, let's see if we click at it here. Click on here, no color. Edit here, click here, no color. Click here, edit here, no color. Okay, no color. There we go. So now that it's transparent, close. Boom, now we got our sign up form. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to saving our form. We always want to save your work so that way you don't lose it. So from here, we're going to go over to publish. Now from here, you will have different options. Who will publish this form to your website? Being that you are creating your own capture page and we're editing ourselves, I will install my form is what you want to click. You're going to have a JavaScript snippet or the raw HTML version. You're going to want to go to the raw HTML version. Go ahead and click in there, select all, copy all. Let's get this sign up form out the way real quick. Go over here in the sign up form. We're going to put in our own sign up form. So opt-in code here, put in there. This is where you see where we're going to have the sign up form. Now you want to go back and edit the name and email to be white so it's transparent or you could see through it. But that's basically it. Now we have everything set up. You know, we want to go in here and, you know, with the style, we can, that's the button of the last one. So all the editing for your button on your sign up form is going to be on the Aweber screen. SEO, you're going to want to go back through here, put your page title. We can do make money online, MMO for make money online, opt-in. Meta keywords, you want to go right into that. Same thing with a meta description on here. Like I was telling you before, policy disclaimer, you can put it directly from your website, but that's pretty much it. We have everything set up already. As you can see here, we have the headline, we have you know, attention grabber, how easy it is, and then the call to action, what they're going to do, and then you want to go back in there and edit it. Don't have too much time left, so I just want to show you guys exactly how it's done. Save page, and in another video I'll show you exactly how to domain map your capture page so that way you can have a custom domain linked to it. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys get good use out of Simple Lead Capture. If you guys have any other lead pages or creators that you guys use, let me know. I'd be very interested in knowing. That way we can implement that into our system. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next video.